This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Attari. Under construction. Come and take in this spectacular conservation and Waterview view home. This modern transitional 2-story floor plan has 1,900 square feet of open living space and features 3 bedrooms, a large loft, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. As you enter the home into the foyer, you will have an expansive view and flow of the first floor with foyer open to the great room and dining room combo with sliding glass doors to the covered lanai and open to the island counter and kitchen. This is where you'll spend your time enjoying the privacy of no rear neighbors and a beautiful water view. The kitchen offers a nice size island with beautiful quartz counters and plenty of seating area. The kitchen boasts 42 cabinets, large closet pantry with stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite is on the 2nd level. Additional home features include a loft, pocket office space upstairs and storage under the stairs, 4 can lights per room and pre-wire for ceiling fans in living room, dining room, kitchen center island and primary bedroom, 2 pendant pre-wires over the kitchen island, tray ceiling in the primary bedroom, and pass-through door from the primary closet to laundry room. Photos are taken of other finished 304 inland model homes, and are for display/layout purposes only. Actual home is under construction and selections will vary based on spec designs for the specific home site. Actual selections for this home are not shown in images. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Attari at 941-907-2000.